if you can tell me, all women to us, of course, with a lot of emotional connect, are they going to obviously grow? If you think they're going to grow, then what is it that y'all as tour operators need to keep in mind as the bottom rule when y'all put that thing, when that y'all put that package together for the future? Maybe homework happened. Maybe Veena, you can also add that. You know, I'm sure there were things that you said, oh, this is something I did wrong. I will improve here. So Anahita, if you can tell me, what do you think the future packages should be, and do you think that's going to grow?
Hi. Like what Veena said and what Stuti said, I would like to add a little bit more to it. Veena brought us, brought us to the fact that yes, there are women from not only the urbanized sectors of India but also from deep interiors. And Stuti gave us an overlook of how the corporate woman is traveling. But there is also a range where today women are doing quite well for themselves in every sector, in every business. She is on an equal with the man of the house. So for her, it's not just confined to just being running around between office and home. But today she wants to spend even if an equal time with her children probably. I've had a few, we do a lot of FITs, so I have had a lot of, no, that's fine. What was said? I've had a couple of occasions where the mother and the mother wants to travel just with her children because the husband is too busy, and or maybe they just want to take off on a holiday, like just the mother and the daughter or mother and the children together, and like they've gone to places like Hong Kong to Singapore, and I feel that also is a growing sector where it's just the family. It's not that the father is left out, but there are so many things a mother may want to do with her child which she cannot probably do here in India because there's nothing, it doesn't allow them to do so much. You just take off with your kids for a 4-day holiday to Singapore and just have a blast. So that way you bond with your children as well as, you spend that quality time together, because that's where we all lack today. Being a mother myself, I think that is where the demand is growing today, whether she's working in the office or whether she's at home, like Veena said, she's awake from 6 in the morning till 12 in the night. So where is the quality time spent with the children, So I think that is what is growing, and what they both said, yes, this thing is coming up. Today a woman is not just, I think she's she is an important decision maker in the holiday of a family also. Like, her view, maybe not in the 2-tier, 3-tier cities, but at least in the major metros, she does influence the family's decision of a holiday.